You can only become anybody's friend by showing interest in what they are interested in, independent of your personal likes and dislikes. You have to show interest. That is why many of you in parenting face this challenge during the prime adolescent years. You find, is your daughter, is your son beginning to get parented much more by the taste and the whims and fancies of their friends much more than you. நான் சொன்னா கேட்க மாட்டான், ஃப்ரெண்டு சொன்னா தான் கேட்பான். It's a very often repeated sentence during that phase of life. He no more listens to me, he'll only listen to his friends. What is very important here to realize is, you can be that friend. It need not be from the world outside. You as a father can be that friend. You as a mother can be that friend. How? Not by imposing yourself. You can only become anybody's friend by showing interest in what they are interested in. I repeat. You can only become anybody's friend by showing interest in what they are interested in. By me showing interest. He likes Rajinikanth. And your way of building friendship with your son between 14 and 21 is, you like it, you don't like it, you will have to start talking to him about Rajinikanth. Independent of your personal likes and dislikes. You have to show interest. He thinks IPL is everything. You sharing even some statistics about, in fact, if you can share one information you have gathered about IPL which your son does not know, he'll feel a lot more closer to you. He thinks, get the paniyanu. Okay. The point is, you cannot get your children to be interested in their relationship with you between 14 and 21 without you showing interest in what they are interested in. You are interested in reading philosophy and you want to share your interest in philosophy with your son, and if you think that way you can draw him into philosophy, you are in capital letters wrong. You have to first create the context by which he is willing to see you as a friend, and if you are willing to invest your attention, your intelligence in showing interest in what he is interested in, a time will come of mutual relationship when he will ask you about philosophy and then you begin to speak. He will show interest in what you are interested in because at some stage your son and daughter now believe they should also be playing this role of a friend with you, and hence they start showing interest in what you are interested in. In fact, the more you try to impose your interest on your son, you will find the more he is getting disinterested in it. The more you talk to a son who is not interested in God, about God, the more disinterested he becomes about God. The more you talk to him about philosophy of life, to a son who is not interested in the philosophy of life, he is getting even more averse to philosophy of life. In fact, you will hear this statement from your son. And in this tone he will say, if you want, you keep it as a pillow and sleep on that. Don't ask me. He won't. But don't you think he should understand the philosophy of life? Don't you think that's not the way to do it? You have to talk to him about Chelsea. You have to learn some names now. You have to talk to him about Manchester United, Manchester City. Okay. You have to. You will have to find out. You will have to find out who is Messi, what Ronaldo thinks about Messi. You have to find out. You will have to find out with whom Beckham had dinner. Why? Rama, Rama, Krishna, Krishna. You have to. You should have some IQ on IPL. You have to speak. You have to converse. It's not enough you are able to converse. When tomorrow your daughter's friends come, your daughter's friend should be able to tell your daughter, your mom is cool. And you're very important. Because for her, the opinion of her friends about her mom is very important. Otherwise, she will tell you, Amma, when my friends come, you don't stay there. But some of you, global mothers, you have given yourself your own patented right that you can mother all the children. Whoever comes will get an advice. Whoever. நீ ஏன் பொட்டு வச்சுக்கலையா? Global mother. बिंदी किधर है बेटा? Now those children will tell your child, hey, how you stand your mother, yeah? And 5 times she hears from her friends, how you stand your mother, yeah? She believes mother is not somebody who could be stood. And that's what will happen. It is important. You have to learn some of, see, I have learned mokka, gettu, scene, இந்த வார்த்தையெல்லாம் எனக்கு கத்துக்கணும். சும்மா எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் feeling thy presence. அது வேற. That is one world. There is another world. Matter. Otherwise, you don't fit into that world. For somebody like me, where this is full-time job itself, I have developed all this vocabulary. For you, seeking is only part-time. Improve. Sometimes when you talk to your children, you have to bring that into your no da, yes da. You should know the nicknames of your daughter's friends. And I am not giving you a lecture. I am telling you, it's a very simple truth of life. The only way to gain a friend in life is, at any age, to be interested in what they are interested in. As an adult, if you want that department head to show some empathy towards your department, it does not come by you going, glorifying your department to the other department. Every time you go and show interest in knowing things about the other department, every time you are able to praise the other department for what the other department is showing, by showing interest in what he is interested in, he will feel like a friend and he will begin to show interest in what you are interested in. Simply put, if you take 2 steps in the direction of your children, they will eventually take 10 steps in your direction. There's no other way to do it. There's no other way to do it. You want to learn a living example for that. I think it's been our Sunday morning satsangs. No matter how much I want to teach spirituality to you, I've always managed to give you some business input, leadership input, organizational development input, how to make dabbu, how to be rich, how to be prosperous, how to be abundant. And somehow, most of you who come to my satsang do not come to a satsang because of spiritual seeking. You want your life to become better. Bring you here, talk to you about what you are interested in life, which is enhancing your materialistic life. And somewhere eventually when the connect happens, then explain to you, your child will ask you one day, Mama, somehow I feel very nice when I listen to the infinite prayer. What does this feeling thy presence means? In fact, explain after the child asks that question. The child is ready to receive your explanation like a blotting paper now. Ready. In fact, it's effortless. Once your child has seen a friend in you, parenting the child is the most effortless thing to do, because his friends do not have to even go through Saptavada Nyayam to convince him. If you can be that friend, if you can be, in fact, somewhere It's not difficult for you to bring to that point that your children are able to say, my best friend is. And so many little ones would say, if you ask them, even recently when I went to Mumbai and I was having this little Tanvi in my lap, little girl. And curious because I ask all children this question when I see them, who is your best friend? Always. Because that's a wonderful place to begin conversation with. And they really get excited about talking about their friends to you. So I had this little Tanvi in the lap when I went for the Mumbai discourse and I asked her, who is your best friend? And she said, Ra is my best friend. And I realized somewhere the child should have in some way experienced that I was showing a lot of interest in what she was interested in. Never failed to talk about her drawing, never failed to talk about her painting, never failed to talk about... And this child, this time when we had Mumbai program, said, I want to volunteer in one of the book counters as a volunteer. I was not there, but I heard it from her mother later. Her mother was saying it was such a touching moment when Tanvi was telling somebody who came to the counter, आपको रा को सुनना है, ऑडियो सीडी लेके जाना. आपको रा को देखना है, डीवीडी लेके जाना पड़ेगा. Now the child in her own innocence was able to communicate what she was able to communicate. And she thinks she was selling the expressions of her friend to the whole thing. And all that was required was show interest in what they are interested in. You're asking me, what do I expect out of an 18-year-old? I think you would have already seen the change happening. The compatibility of an 18-year-old is completely based on those who have the same spectacles to life that I have. Even with that, think about an organization. Toppers befriend whom? Toppers. Non-performers befriend whom? Non-performers. In fact, you will find serious seekers here will come seek and go back. Gossipers, groups will get formed. So we always search for a world where we can share our spectacles. We always search for a world where we can share our spectacles. So very simple steps. 1, find out what your children are interested. Once they cross that 14, once they border on this 14, I think you'll have to start participating in things your children are genuinely interested in. It's an investment you got to make. And the more and more you show interest in what they are interested in, the more and more they begin to see you also as a friend. And you can be their best friend. And once they see you as a best friend, their way of investing in your friendship is they start showing interest in what you are interested in. And once they start showing interest in what, then you can draw them in the ways and the direction which you can draw. They'll still have a world of friends, but the king and the queen in their friendship circle will be their own parents. So you can draw them and navigate them in life in directions you want to draw and navigate them.